Good morning and welcome back to Darwin. Today is a pretty exciting day. The postman's just been and delivered my package. I ordered a GoPro 10 about a week ago and today it's arrived 25th of January. So tomorrow being Australia Day, we can go and give it a try out. Okay, let's take it inside and see what we've got. Okay, so we brought the box inside. I think this one's actually come from Singapore. So let's get our trusty Swiss Army knife and see what you get inside the box. A little bit of damage there on the corner. So hopefully nothing's broken on the inside. Okay, so a bit of packaging. Invoice. Okay. So let's see what's in the actual package. Okay, so obviously you get a nice little case. So we got the unit itself. Okay, so the 10 has got the screen on the front. And that's all your mounting clips there. Okay, what else have we got? Now this kit came with one battery. The extra battery is a bonus. So we've got 2 batteries. Unit. Okay, that's our charging lead. I think it's USB-C with that one, and also we can plug it in to do the relevant updates. Okay, this is, ooh, it's quite a good grip. If you want to grip onto your push bike or your motorbike and mount the camera in there. So that's part of the deal. Okay, we've got just a mounting bracket here which can go into that one there. Another one there, a stick on, that's curved, so if you want to go onto a windscreen, a helmet or a part of your car. Anything else exciting here? Just a few other mounting bits and pieces and a couple of the mounting screws. What have we got here? It also comes as part of this bonus kit, just a small grip handle which will flare out to a tripod. So that's part of the kit. So that can go directly onto the camera without further need of an adapter. So that's part of the kit. What else have we got here? That appears to be the lot. Okay, so I've finally found the actual card. Now this is part of the bonus kit, and we've got a 64 card there as well. So this kit was quite good value. It was $659 off the GoPro site, and the fear was that was American dollars. So for $659 to get everything here, case, camera, 2 batteries, some mounting brackets here, stick, and of course a 64 gig. This is a SanDisk Extreme, which is perfect for using in the GoPro 10, as this one can film in 4K and higher. So we need a good card to cope with the processing of this unit. Feels quite solid, some good rubber grip pieces on it. So yeah, I will plug it in, do whatever updates are required, and tomorrow being Australia Day, we might be able to take it out and give it a good try to see how good the image quality is. Okay, so there it is. I would normally try to buy these things locally to support my local camera shop, but these are almost $700 just for the actual camera, 1 battery, and the USB-C charger. So the fact that you get all of this for $659 direct from GoPro, I thought it was a pretty good deal. So that's the reason why I've decided to do that. Only took about a week to get here, so I'm pretty happy with that. In fact, you've got an extra battery there. That's pretty good value, because these are about $80 on their own. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you.